back at here at Bradenton, Florida. Look at the pond, guys. Look at it. The thing broke, see? And the chair just flipped over. Look, let me show you. Watch. See? The chair just flipped. And it's still windy. We're just like inside of the outer bands.
And it's still raining.
Yeah, it's still raining. There's a wasp nest there, but they just left the nest because of this hurricane.
Wow.
There's one duck sitting down there.
I didn't expect this.
Look at this place. Just windy and rain. Look, if you see over there, it's just it's raining over there.
Oh, I saw one.
So yeah. So my go-kart is so wet. Look, guys, look. See, it's wet. My paddle wheel, I think, is broken.
What happened? Yep.
They moved right here. The wasp, they moved right here. They're making a nest.
It broke this.
Yeah, guys. Me and my sister, we were outside. It was so windy, and then this thing fell down to us. It almost hit us in the face.
I see trash over there.
Yeah, those are debris. There's debris everywhere. There's like debris right over there, guys.
Like sit. Yep. It broke. This thing broke.
What if I check the water from the other side? Sure.
Yeah.
Okay, here comes nothing, guys. I think the door broke right there. Let's see. Here comes nothing. Yeah, it's broken. It's locked. It's definitely locked. Hold the camera. Hold the camera. Okay. Got it. Give me the camera. Give me the camera. Got it. Let's go. Check outside. See. Dang, the winds. The winds are blowing so hard. Hold the door. Look at this, guys. The water. It's just right here. See? The water. See, the water's flooding. I like the place. The water's right here. Let me head out. I know because it broke. Remember Hurricane Ian
Yeah.
and Idalia and Debby? Okay, hold the camera. That's why it broke. That's why it wasn't working.
The grass is blowing away.
Let me see. Yeah, everything is destroyed here. So my house is destroyed. Watch. Let me go up here. Look at this. Everything is destroyed.
And this thing is got destroyed.
Yeah, that thing fell in the night. So yeah, thoughts and prayers. There was like a tornado in Sarasota and Sister Key and I think in Port Charlotte or Punta Gorda. I don't know, but still, thoughts and prayers, guys. Thoughts and prayers. This thing is still standing here.
I never seen that bird before.
Those are hens.
I got
They're just debris. And it's still wet in the floor.
Okay. Why is it so? Oh
The
no!
door open. The door blew open. I can't close the door. It's so hard because the winds are blowing so hard. Can you hold this?
Okay, I can hold this. The house got destroyed.
Here, go. Okay, what if I push the door open, then after that I'm gonna go right here to jump right there, right? Is that a solution?
Yeah.
Yeah, the next thing I'm gonna give them bread. I'm not giving them bread. I'll just destroy it.
There's flaming firewood.
Something went on fire, guys. Okay, so I think there's a wash here because I'm gonna right there. Yeah, there's a gecko right there, guys.
Okay, nobody cares. Let's just go away and go. There's what? Watering trash and nobody
I'm
cares.
checking. If there's a wash. If there's a wash, oh yeah, there's a wash right there. So yeah, let me do this. Let me go right here, guys. Let me go outside. Here, hold the camera. Hold the camera.
Throw the camera. That house got destroyed.
There, I got it. Well, I already got wet. Look, see, can you see there's wet?
My wet. My feet got wet.
It's so windy. We're in the Outer Banks right now.
What about this mop that we put?
So yeah, last time, yesterday, we were out here, right? Then this happened. That thing fell. Then we took out our goggles. Yeah, we put goggles. The winds are like 15 miles per hour or 70, I think. So yeah.
Let me check the watch.
There's a lost right there. Over there. Anyway. So yeah, I bought this Power Wheel at I think 2023.
What happened
Huh?
to this?
Like that thing.
Yeah.
It been like that. So yeah. My windows are foggy.
Oh,
The thing is on the floor. Let me pick it up, guys. See? There's like dirty stuff on the thing.
are you?
That just gross. Anyway. There's just gross stuff. My go-kart is wet. The pond is full.
I think Braden's tree got destroyed. And the watch right there.
Get inside, get inside. Get inside.